Welcome to Smart Kitchen Products Hub. Today, we're taking a look at the Ninja French Door Premier Air Fry Oven, a versatile 10-in-1 countertop appliance. With a spacious 20.3-quart capacity and convenient French door design, it's built for everyday family cooking. Its air fry function is designed to deliver crispy favorites while giving you the convenience of countertop cooking. But it's more than an air fryer. You can also bake, roast, broil, and toast in the same appliance. The 20.3-quart interior provides plenty of room for larger portions and family meals. That makes it an appealing choice for anyone who needs more cooking space than a compact basket-style air fryer. Multiple cooking accessories add flexibility for different recipes and cooking methods. The included accessories help you make full use of the oven's spacious cooking area. If you're looking for a versatile, large-capacity countertop air fry oven, the Ninja French Door Premier is definitely worth a closer look. Watch our full review and check the latest price through the link in the description.